in this quick video on OneNote, I will show you how to write a text using your stylus or pen tablet on OneNote, and then OneNote will convert your writing into text. So first, go to the Draw tab, and then first make sure you select this, which is Draw with Mouse or Touch, and then select any ink you want. Make sure your ink to shape is turned off. Also, don't worry if your ink to text is not turned on. And now we can start writing. And I'll write a simple thing with my ugly handwriting. Important thing is that all your letters needs to be joined, and it should be a continuous word, and it should not be divided into different segments. After writing a sentence, what you can do is to select this and then draw a box around what we wrote. So we'll select all and then simply select ink to text. And even though my handwriting was ugly, it recognized it and it says please subscribe. And you could do for the whole paragraph, you could just do for individual words and so forth.